up. I'm trying to do this thing. Oh my goodness. This is a big turtle.
Bigger than that.
Really? Oh my gosh. I see his head. It's like he's trying to get water. Jeez. Yeah, I see his head. Wow. See the most craziest wildlife out here. If I can get it. There we go. Gosh, I'm so horrible with cameras. Oh wow. This is all in our backyard. Yeah, I don't know where it went.
It's like a big snake to me.
I don't know.
No, it's an alligator.
Yeah, that's the alligator. And Vanessa, stop moving the camera. Oh my gosh. It's in our backyard. It's the alligator. I'm not going out later. Not while it's...